Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a bill condensing because I have a little too much money in my house for my liking. I do not feel comfortable. If you guys have been following along for a while, you guys know that I do live with some roommates, and let's just say certain roommates don't know how to stay in their own room and they go wandering around the house, and I don't feel comfortable having money in my room. So I am going to do a bill condensing, and I'm going to start off with my long term because my long term is the one that seems to have the most. Here, let's get this rub. Okay, so my long term has the most, and I'd rather, you know, just get everything out. All right, so we're going to start with Sway, which is my son, and he has 500, 600, which are already prop money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. Okay, so I believe we could do a $100 bill. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let's do a $100 bill. And you guys, I have these laminated. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 98. Okay, the rest can stay. So my son has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. And, yeah, see. He's not gonna fit. I think I made the laminated hundreds too big. Car registration has 400, and they're all prop money already, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Car insurance has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 150. So we could do a $100 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is one of my laminated hundreds. All right, Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30. So we could do 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay. Vacation. This is one of the, look at this. This is huge. All right. Vacation has 100, which is a prop money. $100 bill here. That is not a prop money. There we go. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. So we could do 300s. 1, 2, and 3. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we can switch these 5s out for a 20. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a 5K. I'm going to 500. Slip. Do I have one? I do. So 540. Okay. That'd be a whole lot better. Because, yeah. Investing has 20, 40, 60, 70. So we're going to leave that alone. Home doesn't have much. Emergency fund, I don't think has much. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Yeah, no. This can stay the way it is. Savings, yeah, it doesn't have much. And MMO doesn't have much because I just started those. So let's move on to our short-term binder, which is this one. Can you guys see? Okay, so car maintenance, this is the one that I need to really, look at this. That's a lot of bills. So it has 100, that's already a prop money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. So we can switch this out for 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that can stay the way it is. So car maintenance has 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 414. And it's a good thing I'm going to take this to the bank now because I do need an oil change that I've been meaning to get for the longest and I haven't, you guys. So, oh my gosh. All right, couponing is going to stay there. Laundry's going to stay there. Momo and Demon, which are my cats, they need a condensing. They have 100, 200 in prop money already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. How many was 200? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 2. Yeah, so 200. So we can switch this out for 200 prop money. And you know what I think it is? Let me test my theory, you guys, on why they're not going in properly. I think it's, oh, this one already has them. I think it's because the corners are like sharp, but let's try it. Yeah, see, it went in super, oh, not super smooth, but smoother, I should say. All right, giveaways has 100 in prop money already. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So 170. We're going to leave it as is. Buffer doesn't have much. I believe it's like 20, 30 bucks. Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to leave that there. Now we are going to do my bills binder, but it doesn't, I don't think this one has much. I just started this binder and I don't think any of them have a lot. Yeah, I think it's just all the binders, all the envelopes. So we're going to leave that as is. Same with the month ahead. I just started this binder, so we're just going to leave that as is. And this one, I am going to condense it because my savings challenges do have a lot of money already. So I'm just going to keep this in the bank instead of my room. You guys know what I mean. So there's 100, 200, 300 here. 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. So that's a 5K slip here. 20, 25, 30. Ooh. Let's count that again. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So 585. So that's okay. We are gonna all right. And then this one, which is the Pink X budget one. So this one has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 65. So we could do 400 here because these are all real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was 400. You know what I'm gonna do, you guys? All right, so I'm gonna get the paper ones just so it's easy to go in and out. So we have 100, these are so hard, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 65. All right, so look at that, it's thin there. All right, so that is it. Now let's count how much money we took out because Look at this. That is thickums. All right, so we don't need these anymore. Put these away. All right, let's count this, you guys. And I'm sorry, you guys, I had them all out of order. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 800. 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 40, 60, 85. 20, 40, 60, 86. 20, 40, 60, 87. 20, 40, 60, 88. 20, 40, 60, 89. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So, what was it? I think $2,100, right? If I'm not mistaken, I think it is. But yes, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I just needed to get this done because, again, I don't feel comfortable having all this money in the house. But as you can tell, that's a lot of money to have just, you know, at the house. So I'm gonna go deposit this and put it in my savings account for now. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.